Good afternoon, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you are having a beautiful day today. Today is Saturday. This is Moringa. Yes, I took some seeds, put it in a bag, napkin. There is the roots. Look at that bag. So there's 10 in here. Yeah. Well, there's 9 really. I think it's 9. But this is the way I did these moringa. So this is just to share with you all that, there's more than one way to just, get a seed started. You can try this method here, or you can soak it. It's just more than one way to do anything. Yeah. But listen, I have nothing planned for what I'm going to share with you all today. Whatever show up. Today, I'm going to just share it, okay? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. Let's get these babies planted. Yeah. So I'm going to plant it in one of my grow bags from my beautiful niece and nephew, Cheryl and Chris, from Back to Our Roots Homestead. Yeah, this is one of the grow bags they sent me. These are 7-gallon bags. And so we're just going to put them in here and just let them get started here. All right, guys, let me do this. All right, I just wanted to share how they look out of the bag, and they are so rooted, so rooted up. Look at that. But they are not going to stay here. I'm just going to let them grow up here, okay? So for everybody who's wondering, they won't stay, but I'm going to just let them, get some height on them. And then I will put them into their own individual bag. We'll see how it goes, all right? But anyway, guys, let me cover these babies up. And I'm just going to kind of put my hand over it and let it go down. Yeah, there we go. Just poke it down. Baby, you're supposed to be down. All right. They really look really healthy. Healthy looking moringas. Let's see how they go. Been out in my garden all morning. It's been very beautiful out here today. Yep, very beautiful, extremely. I understand there may be some rain coming, but hey, it's all good. There they are. They're all planted. All right. I don't know if you could see him over there. He is so bright red over there. That's the male red bird. Oh, he's going. Oh, there he is. He's on the there. He's going now. All right, so here's my little Dollar Tree pots that I purchased. So I'm gonna plant this in here, plant this one in here, and parsley. And we go do some broadleaf sage right there. Sorry about that. And this one, it's a rhubarb, y'all. It's a rhubarb. Yeah. So this is that broadleaf basil, sage. Yeah. Broadleaf sage. That's what this is. So, this is the spicy globe sage. Let's get these two open. Alright, so that's these here. Boom. Next is parsley. That's what that is. Parsley. So we're gonna put it in there. Alright. So let's cover these babies up. Yeah, I have some soil here. And no, I'm not going to label it because they will tell me who they are. They will show their faces. And I will know who they are. Yeah, I will know who they are. Don't fly away. Don't fly away. All right, guys. All right. It's my tea. I've been working, y'all. My hands are dirty, yeah, but I've been working. Oh, yeah. It's break time. So this is my tea, lemon, my lemon balm. It's a break time right now. So I'm making a trough around this a little bit. And I've taken up my fava beans. And I'm going to drop some honey cream corn in this big container. Right here. Right here. But first, let me get back to this baby. She's good, y'all. She's good. So this is where I have my melons, watermelons, cantaloupes, and all that good stuff. And some of them are growing, but I wanted to just plant more. So, as you can see, a lot of them are coming up. Looking sad, but they're still coming up. Yeah. And here's one just opened this morning. And another. Where are you, baby? Oh, there she is right there. But I'm gonna... I have like 3 seeds of each one of my fruits that I'm planting. And I'm just going to just put them all over this little circle here. And let them do their thing. Alright, cover. Oh, there's a watermelon right there. Cover you, baby. All right, I think that's all of them. Let me give them a little water, even though they already had their water for the day. Just a little bit more for the newcomers. All right. I got my little sister, and we are on our way to church. It's Easter Sunday morning, so we want to say Happy Easter to you all.
Happy Easter, everyone.
Yes, have a wonderful day.
Yes.
God is good.
Yes.
He has risen.
Today.
Ooh. All right, let's go, because the police over there looking at
be
us.
late.
Yeah. All right. All right, guys. We are on Carrollton Avenue. It's my old stomping grounds, y'all. So, this is Holly Grove. Holly Grove. And this is Carrollton Avenue. Carrollton Avenue turns into St. Charles Street. So, they used to have a market, a food market up here at this light, didn't they, sis?
Yeah.
They used to have that. I don't know what happened to it. But and up here by the Loyola University, there is a huge garden. We're gonna pass it. I will share it. I can't get out and walk around it like I've done before, because what time is it, sis?
We late.
We like 5 minutes away from the church. Boy. Always running late. I was waiting for you, sis.
I call, no answer. I text, no text back.
So this is the garden right here. Yeah, that's the garden over there. And oh man, they used to have it really huge at this time, but I guess the cold weather kind of chomped them down, but it's gonna be nice. They always have a really nice garden over there. But anyway, guys, I will come back in a little bit. All right. So this is the school here. I forgot the name of this it's an elementary school. And this is their garden that we're looking at. And I know it's hard to see, but they have fruit trees. That's kale we're looking at right there. That's kale right there. They have and they're growing in cinder blocks. Yes. Beautiful. Straight up Katrina bricks. Oh, they have everything over there. Those little kids be getting it, man. I love it. They really do good. Yeah.
Stand up for us, Father. We ask you to give them the strength, Father. We hope, Father, that day, remember your daughter's Sunday day, Father. They get up and they say, thank you this morning for this moment, Father. They say, thank you, Father. Father, as we look out into the field this morning, Father, we ask you to bless each and every one, Father.
So, I wonder what happened to him. So, this is a carpenter's bee. That's what that is. There he is. It's a big bee. I don't know what got him. There we go. So that's a carpenter's bee, and the way you can tell is that dot in the back of his head. So I wanted to show Bernie my Clancy seed potatoes. There they are, baby. That is the seed potatoes I started from seeds. The same ones that you won on my channel. Those are the Clancy seed potatoes. And they are doing great in a 7-gallon grow bag. That's what they're doing. That's where they at. I hope you all have a beautiful Sunday. I hope all is well with you all. I am just tired, y'all. I'm tired, yeah. I've had a long day, but it's been very beautiful. Yes, very, very beautiful. And I'm grateful for all of it. But right now, I'm just tired, and I'm gonna go inside and just relax, because I've done so many things today that I usually don't do. Well, I haven't done in a while. you know. So my body is like, what is really going on here? Yeah. So, but I'm gonna go in, get some rest, just chill out for a little while. But I hope you guys have a great day. Have a beautiful evening. Later, y'all.